Imagine a scenario where someone thinks about you day and night, constantly checking their phone for your name, while you haven't chased them once. The science of attraction can be complex, but we can translate it into a 5-step routine you can start tomorrow. To apply this, you only need 2 things: a target person you interact with in a regular social environment, and your smartphone. Because these behaviors change the balance of power in a conversation, they require you to act with a clear sense of ethics. You must use this knowledge to build relationships, not to exploit them. Step 1 is calibrating your availability. The easiest place to start is by controlling how and when you respond digitally. This illustrates the trap of instant availability. Replying instantly signals your time is cheap. Instead, enforce a 45-minute delay. Pulling back creates scarcity. Notice how the target begins seeking your attention, sending multiple messages just to get a reaction. Step 2 builds on that initial interest, using selective vulnerability. This involves scripting a deliberate emotional hook into a conversation. When you are talking one-on-one, reveal a single minor personal struggle you are currently dealing with. Let them absorb that information, then immediately pivot the conversation back to something light and casual. Do not overshare or engage in trauma dumping. If you reveal too much, you lose the mystery entirely. Closing the emotional loop abruptly leaves them feeling slightly off balance. They get a brief glimpse of your emotional depth, which drives them to search for more of your story. Step 3 is the dopamine push-pull. You will alternate between focused attention and polite distance. Start with the push phase. Deliver a sincere, focused compliment while holding eye contact. Then execute the pull. Withdraw into a polite, entirely work-absorbed state for exactly 3 hours. To be clear, this withdrawal must be a neutral return to baseline behavior. You are showing them you are busy, rather than acting with any anger. Looking at this tracker, you can see how this works chemically. The compliment spikes their dopamine, and the sudden distance drops it back to baseline. They will quickly learn to work for that initial warmth you gave them. Step 4 is mirroring their desires. You achieve this through delayed physical and verbal echoing. If seated across from them, watch closely. Note exactly when they adjust their posture. Instead of copying them immediately, run a 5-second mental countdown. When you hit 0, shift your own body to match their stance. You apply the same logic to their words. Memorize a core value they mentioned, and wait several minutes before repeating it back. Instant parroting is obvious. The time delay keeps the technique from being detected. By forcing a delay with your physical and verbal mimicry, you bypass their conscious suspicion. They simply walk away with a feeling that you are naturally aligned with them. Step 5 is the silent authority technique. This requires reducing how much you speak and becoming comfortable with silence. When someone asks you a direct question, do not answer them right away. Instead, execute a mental 3-second countdown while maintaining eye contact. When you finally do provide your answer, deliver your words with a measured, calm cadence. This silence signals that you aren't rushing to fill the void. When you don't react to the pressure of a question, others often stop their own restless movements and wait for you to set the tone. You now have a complete daily application guide, calibrating scarcity, scripting vulnerability, executing the push-pull, mirroring desires, and holding silent authority. To prevent being overwhelmed, select exactly one of these steps to practice today. Let me know which practice step you are choosing in the comments below, and subscribe for more methods to improve your social influence. These methods give you influence over how others react to you, and that influence should be used to build better connections. Use this knowledge with care.